Hello, welcome to the family new G7X. How are you? This is about my 100th G7X Mark II, and I think you are the least of the sucky vlogging cameras. I don't think you're awesome, but I think you're fine. Yeah, okay, let's do this.
Hey guys, come clean my RV with me. Let's go.
Not gonna lie, I am pleasantly surprised at how clean this RV is. Like, it's clean. We had a conversation with the owner of this RV because we're renting it, and I told him, I said, take everything out. I said, don't leave pillows, blankets, you know, towels, anything. I said, just pots and pans, take it all the way out because I'm going to deep clean it, and then I'm going to fill it with my stuff since we're gonna have it for an extended amount of time. Before we get cleaning, I'm going to take you on a little tour. So you walk in. This pop out is not extended all the way because there's a tree right there. So this will go further out. So when you walk in, you've got the living and the kitchen area, which we'll come back to in just a second. You come up these stairs, and this is where Joel and I will be sleeping. We are actually going to take their mattress out because it's, you know, it's just a really cheap trailer mattress, which is fine, but we're going to put our mattress in here so that we're nice and comfortable. You've got storage, 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 and then, hey, more storage. Right around this corner, there's a door that shuts off to the bathroom, and then a second door that opens up here. So we'll walk in and show you. Hey, there's storage right here, which is fantastic. And you've got your shower right here, and it is so clean. You guys, everything in here, I am pleasantly surprised. Truth be told, we have actually rented this exact RV before, but it was like several years ago, and since they rent it out all the time, I assumed it was going to be kind of beaten, a little wear and tear, you know, but I mean, it looks fantastic. You have a storage mirror right there, your sink, your toilet, very small, very basic, a little storage up there, and then back around to the family living area. This right here was one of the main reasons that I like this RV, because you have a nice big pantry, which not all of RVs have. You know, the sink, the oven, the fridge, it's all great, it's all standard. I love that there's a fireplace, but then here's the kicker. Behind this TV is storage. So all the pots and pans will go in here. There's tons of space in here. And look, here's the trailer when we rented it in 2020. Isn't that fun? Here's one bed that two boys will be able to fit on. One person will be able to sleep up here, and then we'll put one person to sleep here. And to be honest, what we did last time is we had 2 and 2, and it was totally fine. All right, tour's over. I have some cleaning to do. It's so clean that when I'm wiping out the shelves, there's no like gunk. That is really unheard of, actually. Joel is quite the RV picker. He always rents the newer ones so that they're nice and clean and comfortable for us, and I really appreciate that about Joel. What you guys see with Joel is what you get. He truly is a thoughtful, wonderful human, and he puts my needs before his, and I don't even know why. Sometimes I'm like, I don't know why you love me. Like, I don't deserve you. And I know all you commenters are gonna be like, yeah, you don't deserve him. Guys, I love him, and I'm good to him too. He just is extra good to me. Every handle. Fun fact, I have never used Febreze or any type of like spray ever in my entire life, I don't think. Not bad. Doing the floors, it is, you guys, this is a clean RV. Ew, a bug. Except that bug, but now it's dead. Okay, this actually needed cleaned. Woo! Wow. Ooh, they have hangers. Definitely needed wiped. Hi. Hello. Okay, I got Olivia some new swimsuits, and I want to make sure they fit. So go up and try them on, and you can bring them down. Okay. And no, I'm not going to make you show everyone. I mean, I wouldn't care, but. Ew. That's kind of gross. They need a recall for this. I can't tell if this is mold or just something like, you know, leftover. Oh my. I can't tell if this is mold or if this is just like leftover food. I would imagine. I mean, because when this is closed and turned off, it's not cold. You have to like turn it on to get it cold, the power. So there's a good chance that could have been mold, but it's all right. We'll wipe it off. We'll clean it off. Thank you. If I'm gonna be cooking, I wanted my own appliances. So here we go. These pans right here they are good. I'll put a link for them if you're interested. This is the one and only spot in the fridge and freezer that wasn't wiped. I'm not complaining. This is so much cleaner than I thought. I wish I would have recorded her when the RV pulled up. She knew exactly where we were going, exactly what we were doing. She's like, all right, don't you dare leave me. I'm coming too. Okay, thank you. Yes, I need my nail stuff because we're gonna be gone long enough that I'm gonna need it. All of our dishes, one set for everybody. Hair cutting stuff. Look at all the dog food for Lady. Put it right here until I decide where I want it to go. I don't want it more. And we can't let her being stinky, so we're bringing all of her shampoo stuff, a jacket, food. Bring me what we've brought so far. Okay, lots of cheese. Apparently we like cheese.
We love cheese. Is anyone's birthday during February? Yep. Whose? Mine. No. Grandma's. No. Grandpa's. No. Mine. No. Your mom. Cody.
Oh.
Mom, Boston said your mom talked about this. You're a wooden boy. And they said I was a wicked witch. And they said I was a wooden boy. Boston, I was just lip talking. I was not lip talking. I'm a real wooden boy. I'm watching you. I'm watching. That wasn't me. I'm watching.
Nobody likes when you get in front of the camera and just scream. Where would be the best spot to put
Mom, where's the
dishes?
Mom, right here.
Right here. You know, I kind of like everything just like in here.
There's a light down there and up here so you can read, and it's that bright. Yeah. Mom, in this one there's like a little button right here, like, and it looks exactly like right here, and then you push through. So it's not like pushing the camera in, and then like.
It's not like pushing the camera button, is that? Are we playing house?
Huh? Yeah. Yes.
Kids are all in bed, and we it's 8 o'clock. We just got done like uploading tomorrow's vlog and stuff, and all we want to do is like watch TV, enjoy our evening. But if we want to go to Olivia's opening night tomorrow, closing night tomorrow, then we have to get packed. And I really don't want to do it. I don't want to do it.
Did you turn up the heat?
I'm freezing.
Put some socks on.
I got my toenails painted today again.
Put some clothes on. Stop walking around here just so.
I'm in my sweats. I wonder if Walmart still has these. If they do, I'll link them for you. They're my favorite sweats. Okay. Well, let's go. We're gonna pack the kids' church clothes. All the kids' clothes were way too small for them.
Way too small.
And yes, the kids were in bed, and I'm like, okay, we're packing your church clothes.
Yep.
All right, here's how I pack the boys. We got a shirt, got the pants on the hanger, got the bow tie, hang also over the pants, put the belt over the hanger. So that's the outfit. Stuff the socks in the shoes, and you've got yourself an outfit.
We just got out of bed.
Cody, I want you to take the clothes. Boston, you take the shoes and go lay them on my bed in the RV, okay?
Okay.
Please be careful and don't drop them. Please, please.
Okay.
I cannot wait to wear these where we're going. You guys, if you need pretty dresses, I've got the dress shop for you. I'll link these dresses in the description for you. Forget the sweats, get the dress. Or both, whatever you want to do, it's fine. I told Joel that I was overwhelmed and I didn't know what to pack, and Boston yelled, "Mom, just pack everything you have. You look wonderful in all of it." Well, apparently I'm the luckiest mom in the world, so there you have it. It may not look like it, but we are making so much progress. The fact that I got this all the way cleaned is a huge deal today. Not only did we get it cleaned, I'm starting to get it packed. Do you see this tiny space right here? This is a family of 6 head to toe church wear. I've got the shoes kind of lined up like this situation going on, but the dress and like clothing is heavy enough to like hold it there. Then we'll like pack everything else. You know, I think I'm doing really swell. Can you see how pink and flushed my face is? Okay, well, thank you for joining my clean the RV video. It kind of turned more into like a pack with me versus a clean with me. I'm wiping my hat. I wear this hat every single time I go on vacation. It's just a solid plain black hat. I recommend it a lot. The RV was a lot more clean, and so I was like, this isn't even like a full video the way I thought it was gonna be. I thought I was gonna be doing some like big time cleaning. However, I lucked out and I was able to pack quite a bit. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Hey guys, come clean my
Sorry, let me try that one more time. Okay. I got like really close to you.
Sorry, hold on.
Okay.
I can't.
No, that was so cute because it like covers your face.
Hi.
I've always dreamed that we would have a happy ending.
Where'd you learn this?
In Shrek, the musical. Okay. And Olivia's song.
Okay. I'll get to the point here.
Oh,
Oh,
cut that out, Daddy.